Crystal here with Crystal Massages, and today we're gonna do something a little bit different. Since our overall health is 80% nutrition, 20% exercise, and the most nutritional value our body needs is protein, and if you're like me, you get sick and tired of chicken breast. So I wanted to do something different, and this is a concoction that I kind of developed looking over some recipes online, and these are actually protein brownie bites. And they have, I want to say roughly, don't quote me on this, about 12 grams of protein per brownie. And I'm going to say just under 100 calories per brownie as well. So what you're going to need is you're going to need a half a cup of cranberries and coconut shaving. I blended them together. That's actually going to be the filler. We're going to do a quarter cup of dark organic non-sweetened dark chocolate. And then as a flour substitute, we're going to do half a cup of almond flour. And then half a cup of almond butter, unsweetened, no sugar added. Where we get our sweetness from, not only from the cranberries, but I mashed 2 bananas and 2 tablespoons of honey. So we're gonna go ahead and blend all these together, mix it up in a bowl, make sure to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and they only take about 12 minutes to bake. And they are super, super yummy. My favorite is first thing in the morning with a cup of coffee, because I tend to have a sweet tooth first thing in the morning. That's the only fun thing about being an adult, you can eat cookies for breakfast. But don't do that. All right, so here you go, protein brownie bites. You guys can have fun with this with the filler. You don't have to necessarily use cranberries or coconut. You can use maybe whole almonds or raisins or walnuts or even pecans if you want, what have you. But anyways, they're really, really good. And again, you can add that egg, but I chose not to on this recipe, but they're so good. Enjoy.